Okay.
You can send it to me. Okay,
Yesterday, when we were having a conversation, you were really talking about how there is a huge shortage, or let's say a lack of, female choreographers in the Assamese industry specifically. So would you tell us something about
Vishal,
that?
there are no one. There is no one. There is no one. There is no female choreographer in our industry.
So what are your thoughts on that?
They can get one?
Sorry?
You think they can get one? Our industry can get one female choreographer?
I mean, you are one of them obviously right now, but are you getting invited or like hired for choreography gigs yet?
No, I have planned, like it's my planning. I have planned it. I don't know how far I'll be able to execute it. I have to talk to my team also. I have to do a lot of things to make it possible, but I have already thought in my mind that I'll create a production team. My production is always there, my fiance Actress Borah. So we have our own production. We have our videographer. We have our editor. They basically do wedding, but now with me, they are starting to develop a little with a lot of help from other videographers also who are working in this music video field in our industry, Assamese industry. I think I'll develop a team very soon, and definitely I will be working as a choreographer, but not alone. I will form a team very soon, and I will not do each and every songs offered to me at any price, or the price maybe in 2-3 lakhs also I'm not gonna do. I'll choose my songs and I'll do it on my rules and regulations.
Okay, if somebody wants to work with you, like somebody wants you to do their song, tell us like, kaisa hona chahiye wo gaane, like keneka hobo lage eight ganbur so that you like them and then you are like happy to take them up, just to put it out there for everyone.
It must be original. Original in the sense, first priority is naughty. That I love naughty things because I'm a naughty girl. I love the naughtiness of chulbulapan jundu thake je. I love to emote, I love to express. Aru basically more romance of humabo nibisaru basically. Bihu siu korile okman romance thake because bihu is all about love. But I also want love to be emoted in a very gimmick way, the way you do. তুমি বহুত ভাল content ইমান ধুনিয়াকে gimmick ke uliyai dia that people find it more interesting. That's why people watch you. That's why Chugli TV is so hit. কারণ বহুত heavy বস্তু তুমি বহুত easily or in a